Hi, I'm Doug DeVos. My father, Rich DeVos, along with his best friend Jay Van Andel, started Amway more than 50 years ago with a simple plan: to provide people with an opportunity to achieve success. We're having a great time building this business, so why don't you come join us?
They say life is what you make it, and that is so true. But have you ever asked yourself, how can I make life even better for me and my family? At Amway, we provide an opportunity for independent thinkers, entrepreneurs, and everyday people to start a business, to pursue their dreams, and take back control of their lives.
Built on the guiding principles of freedom, family, hope, and reward, Amway is one of the world's most trusted, most recognized brands. With a presence in more than 80 countries and territories, and nearly $11 billion in annual sales worldwide, and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, we are family-owned and financially stable, with access to over 1,000 patents. This is a business powered by strength, by vision, but most importantly, by results.
This business rewards you for your effort. What we offer makes a difference in people's day-to-day lives and the lives of their families and communities.
I have gotten so much from the business. First of all, the opportunity of having control of my time, freedom, financial freedom. I'm able to provide for my kids more than I could ever done with a regular job.
We're financially independent because of this business. I walked away from the corporate arena. I was 27 years old.
We have 3 kids. 2 of those have chosen the opportunity to sign up and start their own business, and it is a blessing to us to see them and watch them on their journey as they progress and see the great corporation we're involved with.
Making a real difference in people's lives is what we're all about and always have been. Ever since 2 good friends, Rich DeVos and Jay Van Andel, started Amway over 50 years ago. They had a mission to create a family business that would grow with their family. And it continues today with their sons. What our founders knew then holds true today. It's not about us. It's about you.
And behind you and your business stands the performance and the pride built into everything we sell.
There's Nutrilite. Our plant-based vitamins and supplements have been ranked by the highly respected Euromonitor International for the last several years as the world's leading brand of vitamin, mineral, and dietary supplements. Not the 3rd best or 2nd best, the best. This may explain why major athletes and sporting events around the world want to be associated with Nutrilite products.
There's Artistry. Ranked by the Euromonitor, Artistry is among the world's top 5 largest selling premium skincare brands, the only direct selling brand recognized in this prestigious category. Artistry is also the proud sponsor of the Miss America organization with our Artistry Scholarship Program.
And there's LOC. The cleaning product the company was founded on in 1959 is now recognized by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's Design for the Environment program. Not to mention, Amway received the 1989 United Nations Environment Achievement Award for promoting environmental education and awareness, and for encouraging youth to make the environment a priority. We stand behind our products. The Amway Assurance Program offers a 180-day, 100% satisfaction guarantee that extends to you and your customers.
You know, I think I was probably a little bit skeptical about our own abilities to do this business at first. You know, he was a athlete, I was a teacher.
And there were so many people that were willing to take their time and their energy and their success in this business and actually teach me step by step how to succeed myself and follow in their footsteps.
We have tripled our investment in IBO education programs, most offered free of charge. Plus, additional support is always available from your sponsor. And if you choose, from approved providers too.
And finally, as part of the Amway Assurance Program, in the first 90 days after you register, there is a 100% money-back guarantee on your business registration fee and on training materials and services purchased from an approved provider.
I got very attracted to the team aspect of the business and what Amway would do in terms of support, customer service, was just phenomenal.
This business rewards you for your efforts. Nearly $40 billion in bonuses have been paid globally since 1959. In fact, Amway has paid out more bonuses to its independent business owners than any other direct sales company in history.
And via our partner stores, you can save money and earn bonuses with special offers and discounts available only to you and your customers. The biggest brands, the best stores and services, all in one place.
With the Amway business is to provide an equal playing field, an equal platform for anyone, regardless of where they're at in life.
And this business opportunity has allowed me to free myself up from corporate America, from being controlled from paycheck to paycheck, what we used to call it 40-40 plan, working 40 hours a week for 40 years of your life.
Imagine having the freedom to create the balance that you want in your life. This business can help you achieve that balance, accomplish your goals, earn what you desire, and still devote yourself to your family. It's not about us, it's about you. Are you ready? Then let's go. I'm Sandy Spielmaker, Vice President of Sales, Amway.